Work right now, and I'm going to chop our dinner. We're gonna make the viral sweet potato bowl. It's literally all over the internet and we love it. It has become a staple since we've seen it online. So first I'm gonna start by chopping up sweet potato and just prep that. First I'm just prepping the pan, and then I'm gonna chop sweet potatoes. Okay, first I'm starting with the sweet potatoes. I'm just gonna chop them up in little like cubes. It does not need to be precise, just, I don't know what's going on with my hair. Just kind of chop it best you can. Ooh. Okay. I'm not a good chopper, if you can't see. So just little cubes, and yeah, they cook down too, so it doesn't have to be like tiny by any means. But okay, I'm glad I'm doing this now because I didn't realize how long this would take me. I'm tired of chopping. One more. We were doing two, but these things are huge. I didn't realize potatoes really do cook down a lot. Take the longest, so when you do it, you want to start with cooking your sweet potatoes in the oven, and they take like about an hour, and everything else takes like 15 minutes. So if you want to buy them already chopped, that could help. Or if you just want to have them prepped, that for sure helps. Back from my workout, got the oven preheating. Now I'm gonna go in with Graza. Hold on, y'all can't see. And my sweet potatoes. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of move them around so they all get coated in the olive oil. They also cook down a lot, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Go in with this Kinder's salt, pepper, garlic. You've probably seen me use this a ton because I'm really into it. It makes everything taste really good. So that's the potatoes. And we're gonna put them in the oven soon. Actually, I'm gonna cut the avocado now to see if it's good. It's perfect. Nice. I just took the pit out with the knife. I've never done that. Okay. We're gonna put avocado on our little board. Oh, can't see. You can't see the beautiful board. Okay. Next, I'm gonna chop the onion actually now because I hate chopping onion. I just cut some fresh lime up. They look so good, like amazing. I'm gonna cut some lettuce up. The toppings are kind of like optional on what you do. Normally we just do sweet potato, avocado, ground beef or ground turkey, and then add cheese instead of cottage cheese. But we had red onion and we have lettuce, so I know like that would be good in both. So I'm just gonna chop it up since I have it already. Like meal is so easy and so healthy. I love it. Okay, we're almost at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put the potatoes in the oven now. Perfect. Our little topping board looks so cute. I will add some cheese onto it later. We have a lot of lettuce, but that's okay. Okay, the sweet potatoes have been going for like 50 minutes, but I think we could use another probably like 20 minutes. I am gonna start on the ground turkey right now. So I'm gonna let my pan heat up first and then get the turkey out. Adding a little olive oil to the pan. Pound of ground turkey. Second pound of ground turkey. We're making this for like 4 or 5 or 6 meals. This is the worst part because we don't have the fork thing where it like makes it easy, so I have to do it by hand and it's honestly really hard. There you go. Anyways, it takes me like 10 minutes to do this and it hurts my hand. All right, let's add the seasoning. Y'all need to buy this. It's the best seasoning literally ever. Probably Max likes to drain the water and he's almost home actually, so I might ask him. But this stuff is so good. Just add the seasoning, added the seasoning, and we're just gonna let it sit for a little and soak it all up. It looks delicious though. All right, now we're gonna fix our bowls. I'm fixing Max's for him. Sweet potato, oh my gosh, is the base.
Did you put olive oil in there?
Yeah, I put a good bit.
Did you?
Oh my gosh, I even mixed it around.
And then sometimes it just happens like that. There, yeah.
So base is sweet potato. Do you want more?
Yeah. Sorry. I mean, I'll get it if you want me to.
We got the sweet potatoes.
Just barely.
Next is the meat. Let me show y'all again. You have to use this. It's so good. It's delicious. It's actually a lot of meat. Pause. Alright, next is our toppings. We're going to start with the cheese so it melts in the ground beef. More?
Yes. Probably all of that you put on that board. I don't really know what the serving size is here. Yeah, keep it going, get those bits.
Are you kidding me?
No, there's barely any cheese on there.
It's thick. Lettuce?
No, still not.
Red onion? How much?
I don't want to start. Yep.
Okay. Do I add any lime juice?
Sure.
Why don't I get it close up? And then do you want avocado? I'm gonna add avocado. There you have it. We're gonna add a little salt to avocado. And that's how you make the viral ground beef cottage cheese bowl without ground beef and cottage cheese.